Over 40 million Americans are living with varicose veins and spider veins. If left untreated, they can lead to skin damage, blood clots, and ulcers. Throughout its 70 locations across 12 states, the Center for Vein Restoration treats vein disease with state-of-the-art technology and care in an outpatient setting, consistently producing safe and proven results. The leading physician-run vein practice in the nation, CVR offers a full menu of in-office treatment options addressing spider and varicose veins quickly and relatively painlessly, so patients can return to normal activity with short-term recovery times. If you're tired of living with aching, unsightly legs, find out how you can look, feel, and live better. Learn more about the breakthrough technology offered at the Center for Vein Restoration, the leader in the treatment of varicose and spider veins. To schedule an appointment, call 800-FIX-LEGS or visit centerforvein.com.